Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to update Google Play Store manually from factory version or after factory reset. Do you want to update Google Play Store manually? If you updating Play Store, it will help you to fix Play Store issues like can't install app problem or something went wrong or app pending problem. So let's start how to update Play Store manually. Method 1. Open the Google Play Store. At the top right, tap the profile icon. Tap on Settings, and then go to About. And then go Play Store version. And update Play Store. You'll get a message that tells you if the Play Store is up to date, or if an update is available it will automatically download and install in a few minutes. Method 2. Update Google Play Store with an APK file. For that, download and install the latest version of the Google Play Store from third-party website. Open any browser and search for Google Play Store APK. Enter the following website. Now choose the latest version of the Play Store. After downloading, install Google Play Store. So this is how to download and update Google Play Store on any Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.